Hello there, my name is Thomas Pralo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this is an emergency Bitcoin update and it's looking quite interesting, so we really don't want to miss this. This is a very important video, so watch it from the beginning till the end. And as always, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And most importantly, there is a link down in the description of this video to my Telegram channel so that you're always alerted when the market is on the move. So join my free Telegram channel so that you're always alerted. And currently, and yes, let's just jump right into the action, and please leave me a like on this video and make some noise down in the comments so I see some engagement from you guys, from my YouTube family, so these videos are going out into the world and as many people as possible are getting educated. And yes, Pralo Trading Show Season 1 has completed and the trailer is coming out very soon. This is going to be epic. The first ever trading reality show in the world. So leave me a like for that, and do let me know down in the comments if you're looking forward to the 7 huge episodes that are coming at the end of March, and the trailer is actually coming within a few days, hopefully, and I'm gonna keep you all updated. So, all right, without any further ado, let's just jump right into the price action. And it's looking very interesting. It's a very risky moment, but it's looking quite interesting. And I actually did just open a long trade over on Bybit. It's not really that big of a trade, but nonetheless, it's I used a very small margin, about $200,000 long trade. And currently a small bet. Again, I just opened it, and if you want to be trading as well, then look no further than Bybit. I have over $250,000 with them, so I do trust them, and it's a really nice platform, very convenient to use. And with my link down in the description of the video, you'll get $4,100 in free bonuses if you use my link, and also a 30% discount on commissions. So why did I put in this trade, and whether it's a good idea to put in this trade? It certainly is a good idea. A long trade right now on Bitcoin, and but there are many things you need to consider. So remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing and my own overview of the current situation, etc. So let's just jump right into it. We can see that we have a very powerful move in the daily chart right here from the bottom, which was this bottom right here. And actually, it is very interesting to see because we have this bottom and then this bottom, and this bottom is higher than the previous one. So this is kind of a bullish thing, or at least we are not going lower. And if you might remember, my current prediction is that we are not going to go lower than $34,000, and I'm gonna link the video right here or right here where I've actually predicted that the bottom would be at $34,000. So in my personal humble opinion and my current prediction, which again, do your own analysis, I could be wrong, but I think that this here is going to be our bottom somewhere in this area, right here, which could be around 34,000 to maybe at the absolute least $33,000. So Mr. Spot on dude, and this is my closest and most precise prediction so far. So let's just, for kicks, let's just go back to, let's go to a smaller time frame and let's see where was this bottom. And here it is. So this is 24th of February, and our bottom was at, hello, 34,300. So okay, maybe it wasn't 34,000 precisely, but this, in a grand scheme of things, is spot on. And remember, I've predicted this and I actually called it, and I said that I don't personally think that we're gonna go lower than 34,000. And look at what is happening right now. The price came to it, it touched it, and we are moving upward right now. So call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments right now. Okay, so currently we are seeing this super strong push from Bitcoin, but there is a good reason why that is, and I'm going to cover those reasons in this video as well. Now, it is important to understand that we actually finally moved above. Let me just go to a different chart so it's a bit cleaner, because that one is really dirty. I'm looking at a bunch of stuff, but a very important level currently is this one right here, actually in the daily chart, that has been mentioned by me previously, which we had this confirmation, this one, a bunch of confirmations here, here, and then a false break here. So, and basically right now we are actually breaking it right, and actually closing above it. So would this be really a fake out, or is this a true break? Again, this is starting to look like we are gathering some power in Bitcoin overall, and all the on-chain data that I have previously mentioned in my previous videos actually is telling us that we are close to the bottom, or where we've already seen a bottom. So, and with everything that is going on with the whales and all the on-chain metrics, etc. But if you really want to be on a super safe side, you just want to be as careful as possible, then in this instance you have to wait for the break of at least this level right here, which is again our previous top wave, which is this one right here at about $46,000. And again, remember that also at $46,000 we had a lot of support and resistance previously, and this has been a very important level before, and we had a lot of confirmations in this area right here. So if you really want to be on a safe side, and you can actually stay with it, stay and wait until we actually break and close above it, above 46,000, then this would be the best way to do it, and the safest way. But of course it's going to be the latest possible entry. So for that reason, I decided to just put in a $200,000 trade. It works, it doesn't, it doesn't. So for that reason, that's just how I am seeing it currently right now. And also we have this level that has been quite important previously. This here, confirmation here, here, also confirmation here, and confirmation here. So if you want to be like the safest side, you might want to wait for the break of this level. But again, it's going to be even higher than $46,000, and you're gonna maybe miss out on this up move that could just consolidate a little bit and move above, which could be a very likely scenario. Now, the big question that a lot of people are asking me, Thomas, on social media, and by the way, follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on it. There's a lot of backstage stuff happening there. So a lot of people are asking me, so what has caused this? Everything is so terrible in the world, and I feel very sorry that there is this kind of a situation, and I keep because I have a lot of friends and also followers from Ukraine, so I keep them in my prayers, because this is really terrible. I have received some messages from them. It's really unbelievable. I cannot believe that something like this can happen in the 21st century, which is really sad. So, and right now there is because of it as well, unfortunately, there is a huge demand for USDT. USDT once went to like 1.1 because of demand for USDT, and also the demand for cryptocurrencies in general, because people from Russia and Ukraine, they're trying to do something with their savings. Ruble is collapsing, and it's unbelievable. The things that are happening right now in Russia and Ukraine is just out of my comprehension. So because of it, there is a huge demand for cryptocurrencies right now. They are looking at them as as something that will solve the problem, for at least for a short-term period. So that's why we saw this initially, this big rally right here. And also right now, eBay has announced saying that eBay could soon accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin for payments. That the firm's CEO, Jimmy whatever, said that eBay could make an official announcement on its upcoming investor day on March 10th. So I believe that this is also a good reason why this Bitcoin rally is happening right now, because if eBay starts accepting Bitcoin, this is going to be huge. A huge volume will be created for Bitcoin. So we really have to watch what's going to happen on March 10th. So we have still 10 days for price to rally on this, market sentiment basically. And remember that oftentimes it's best to enter on a rumor and exit on the news themselves, because when the news comes out, everybody already expected it, so the market already moved, whatever. So this could be an interesting moment right now, and this is just my take on it, and I have my own trade over on Bybit. Again, not financial advice, but if it were, again, a very wide stop, I'm going to find an interesting stop placement, but the stop is going to be really wide, because this is a swing trade, a big trade, that I'm not going to be using a super short-term stop loss, because otherwise it's very dangerous to just get stopped out, unless you're using sniper trades and swing trade approach, day trade approach, which you can, by the way, learn in my certified and accredited trading education. Also link it down in the description to my 5 months long accredited trading education. And yeah, this is my take on it currently, and this is what I'm looking at. And to be honest, it's starting to look very, very interesting. We certainly are going to have a lot of resistance at 46 and then potential at 52. But unless this is also one of the things when I'm saying right now, we're kind of in the middle. And if you want to be safe and see the confirmation at 46, that's not a bad guess. to do, because right now we're kind of in the middle of this area that we could see some kind of, a consolidation right here and maybe accumulation as well before the final breakout. So I'm going to lose some money on that trade that I have, which is fine. Again, I'm just betting sometimes on what I see and how I understand the market. So this could also be the situation as well. So be careful, stay tuned for more, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!